Maclaurin series. A Maclaurin series is a polynomial function which can approximate another type of function. For example, consider the Maclaurin series that can be used to approximate y equals sine x. As more terms are added, the approximation becomes more accurate, as we can see in the sequence of diagrams below. So we can see that we have the curve of y equals sine x here in blue, and we have y equals x in red. And it appears to be a reasonable approximation in this region here. But if we go to the next order of approximation, so we have x take away x cubed over 3 factorial, the approximation is now better over a longer range. And then the next one adds a further term to the series, and we can see how much better the approximation is in this region. And we'll just continue with this. Adding an extra term, we can see that it is now a better approximation for longer. And we've gone as far as the x to the 9 term here. And we can see how good the approximation is in this region. I should just point out that notice that all of the powers are odd. You've probably heard in the past that sine x is an odd function. And all of the terms here are odd powers. And they're all odd functions. X is an odd function, x cubed over 3 factorial is an odd function, and so on. And a bit later on when we meet cosine, you'll see that that's made up of all the even powers. Anyway, moving on. The Maclaurin series expansion of f of x is f of x is equal to f of 0 plus f dashed of 0 times x plus f double dashed of 0 times x squared over 2 factorial, and then f triple dashed times x cubed over 3 factorial, and so on, the general term being the nth differential evaluated when x is 0 multiplied by x to the n over n factorial. And this may be expressed using sigma notation as the sum from k equals 0 to infinity of the kth differential of f raised to, evaluated when x is 0 times x to the k over k factorial. The nth degree Maclaurin polynomial approximation to f is called mn of x, and notice how this one goes up to n. So that is the nth degree approximation, takes the terms up to n. If this looks complicated, don't worry, we'll look at it with some examples.